Hello, and welcome to another Contort episode. Well, not exactly a Contort episode, but it's basically I fixed some bugs, and one of those bugs was that it was taking about a second to parse and legs 100 instructions. So it's like taking almost a second per 100 instructions. So of course I wanted that to turn that down. So I found a problem in the compiling that made it so much worse. I was going, whenever I find a directive and a label, I was going through every name. Like here, there was like this loop was here, in here, and the same for this loop. So I just moved them both to their respective places, and yeah, now it actually works. So now it's using much less room, and there was also like a bug where I did like multiplied by 2. Yeah, that was taking up way too much space. It was almost like a kilobyte per 10 instructions. So of course I added one and then reallocated it and multiplied by the size node. So as you can see, I only, if I just do realloc, like I have plus names plus 1, like names plus 1, names I plus 1. Same here. This is with the node size. I also did the same thing in the executor, and I went ahead and added some more math instructions, although I am forgetting to move this the other way around and divide to be the, well, I'm thinking of divide being like a push 0 and then push 1 and then just divide, and it's like divide div has just like 0 division by 1. So I'm going to, I think that I'm gonna leave that like this. Yeah. So like I reallocated here, I reallocated here, I reallocated here. I even went ahead and fixed it in the lecture. And also in the lecture I added some. Oh wait, the only place where I'm not doing this is in here. So this is also a place where I need to fix it. So if we now do a make, I think that it's, so I'm going to go ahead and push this, fixed some more memory leaks. Well, it's not memory usage. Then we do build compiler. I need to synchronize. So compiler, and the I'm gonna need to compiler. So shut the fuck up. Compiler. Well then, why the fuck can't I just do that? Like if I just do .o, not even -o, build main.com ast, like it's now using not as much memory as I thought it would. And if you just look at the Valgrind output of it, this is the problem that I'm experiencing. Well, of course that's not gonna work. And I pressed the wrong button. Great. Alright, clear. Yeah, so I'm thinking it is bugged. And yeah, there we go. Alright, my Linux is experiencing bad trouble, so I'm actually going to... Alright. I have it somewhere up here. Like I also built as a VM in the meantime. And I was working on the website. Like I am trying to get like a website for this, where I can just post the documentation and such. So, if we now take a look at it, we only have 12 KB, which for, well, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's for 9. So if you just grab up the calculator and then just do how many? 12, 5, 3, 6. 12, 5, 3, 6. Divided by 9, that's almost 1 kilobyte for every 1.4 kilobytes for every thing. So yeah, so that's not good. But I also don't know where we could improve. Yeah, but like grows exponentially, so it's like n times 2, so it's then like 9 to the second power 2 to the... Wait, I am in the wrong calculator. I need this one, I think. So it's like 2 to the 9th power, which is 7. I don't even know anymore. I am not going to bother with that. So you just have to live with it. Because I am not fixing it. So that's what we like fixed some memory issues. And then I added some more memory issues, and I even stress tested it. So if you do like time, it's now, I think 0.06 seconds. Sorry. So if we are actually adding the print AST, so this is with print AST, it's like 0. It's this value 0.012 microseconds, and if we don't, it's like 0.06 seconds. And I even stress tested it, so I'm going to add a folder with tests, which is then going to be filled with trash.com, which is going to be filled with main, then push 34, push 5, add push 69 equals jump if end jump main, and then we have like end main, then we have like end, which is just going to halt the program. If we do this now, test stress.com, as you see it's not as much, but if we added like a couple, I got it to 36, which 36,000, if you don't know that, that's pretty much. And I'm thinking that we can even go even higher. If I can go to 32, but I can also go to 128,000, which I don't think actually will be possible. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, so this is going to take a very long time, because if you have ever tried to lex a 128,000 lines long C file, you'll know that GCC is gonna be hating you. So once it's finished, I'll get back to you, and that'll probably be in an hour or something. I don't know. So yeah. So I'm back. And yeah, as you see, it took 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Yeah, 2 minutes and 11 seconds on my side. Oh wait, and that's minutes. So it's like 2 minutes for 128,000 instructions. And I'm thinking that it'll be much less for 64,000. Or maybe it'll be much less if I have a invalid operand here. And to lex through 64,000 lines, it takes exactly 0.150 seconds. So that's pretty good. And it like immediately exits if it finds an invalid thing. So it can lex through a fuck ton of things in a lot less time. And I'm thinking that if I have like a lot of comments, that it'll be even better. So if I like sub and then just copy that shit for about 1,000 lines, I don't know, that should be good. And it's not updating. So yeah, so we're at 64,000. Yeah, it's like, so we need another 300 or some of these comments. Yeah, so, and if we then have a halt here, or HLR, I don't know, like, but now I need to so we fixed another. So I have like a thingy in the middle of that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even care. So if we now lex it lexes through 1,000 lines. So how well does it lex through 1,000 lines? So just go to line 1000 and just remove everything after it. So just hold down for about 10,000 seconds. Wait, isn't there like an option with like select? There has to be something that you can like. Yeah, but what if I just go upwards? Like if I just go to line 1000 and not include this, then just copy this, delete all of it. So it lacks us 1000 lines in about 0.11 seconds is the time it needs to lex to 1000 lines now. So I would say that that's a major improvement in the language. And yeah, I think that tomorrow, like after the race of Italy, I'll upload a new episode. Since this one was kind of short and I know y'all waiting for a new one. So yeah, I hope y'all have enjoyed this short episode, and I'll see you tomorrow. Or at least I think I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.